The new Brawl Stars update has a ton of crazy bugs. First off, we have a huge nerf for Miko. There's a bug where Super can no longer go over walls or water. I don't know how this bug even happens, but until this is fixed, Miko is F tier. But what's even worse is Nani's Super. Now it no longer gets faster the longer it goes on. So now you're just left with a horribly slow peep. But the craziest bug of this entire update is with 2 gadgets. With Kaze, if you gadget near a wall, it'll slide you around the entire thing. This honestly looks pretty fun. And this also works with Clancy's gadget. If you use it right, you can zoom around the entire